Company organization chart. Production management. Production flow chart. A general sequence of the heat treating processes. Receive and inspect parts. Prepare job card. Organize work. Degrease and prepare load. Carry out heat treatment. Conduct inspection and testing. Certify process. Delivery parts. The flow chart for the production process management is shown in the following figure. Production management. Process control procedure. Production initiation. All incoming jobs shall be marked on the job, packaging or customer's delivery document the following. Customer name. Heat treatment or hardness requirements. Weight/quantity of parts. Material specification. Description and sketch of parts and applicable reference. Special instructions. Production management. Processing. Depending on jobs, relevant work instruction for control of heat treatment work shall apply. The QA and production engineer shall deduce the parameters required for the heat treatment of non-standard new jobs. If necessary, the QC and production engineer shall consult the CEO. Production management. Heat treaters and heat treatment operators shall be responsible for continuous monitoring of the furnace temperature and time for heat treatment. All heat treatment time and temperature shall be recorded on the temperature chart and attached to be the furnace loading record from. For the tempering process, the time and temperature shall be recorded on the job card. Product identification and traceability procedure. Incoming. All jobs are assigned a receiving order number according to running numbers on the job card. In process. All the jobs shall carry the number on the job cards throughout their production. The job cards shall follow the job from incoming to packaging process. Product identification and traceability procedure. Handling, storage, packaging, preservation and delivery procedure. Handling. All material and products shall be handled in a careful manner to prevent damage. Items can be transported in forklifts, trolley, hands carry and applicable gloves will be used in the handling process. Storage. Incoming and finished products are placed in safe storage locations, outside the walkway, in designated locations or in the store. Only inspected and accepted products from vendors are kept in the store. Packaging and preservation. Verification, inspection and non-conformity. All verification and inspection work will be carried out in accordance with this procedure and the inspection and testing procedure. Any non-conformance found during production and late delivery shall be dealt with in accordance with control of non-conforming products procedure. All necessary corrective action and/or preventive action shall be carried out in accordance with QMS. Quality control. Quality policy. Company must committed to provide heat treatment service that meet customers and industrial requirements. The company will constantly quest for excellence in its field work. This is achieved through establishing and maintaining an effective quality system and keeping up with industrial requirements. Quality objective. Maintain ISO 9001:2008 system in an effective manner. Provide quality heat treatment service that add value to our customers. Work closely with customer to reduce mistakes. Quality control system. Company's quality culture. Everyone shall be responsible for the quality or the quality control is everybody's business. ISO 9002 and internal audit. Internal audit and external audit are specified in the documented quality manuals and carried out on a regular basis. Nonconformance action and corrective. Should any nonconformance be detected, supervisor or quality officer shall indicate the nonconformance on the form for follow-up. Fishbone diagram. Aerospace. QMS implementation route plan. What is AS9100 and NADCAP? Benefits. SAE AS9100 vs ISO 9001. AS9100 added 83 additional and specific requirements to the 20 elements of ISO 9001. Focus is placed on design control, process control, purchasing, inspection and testing and control of non-conformances. The standard is designed to follow a process management approach. Aerospace and other component arranging method. Stay tuned to this YouTube channel for more updates and insights.